Going by white. So get the yellow, ribbon, ribbon, right, good. Well done, blue ball. 5 minutes. Blue ribbon, pass to his opponents. Blue shot. Oh good. Rebound by yellow. Blue red ball. Oh good. Rebound by yellow. Rebound. Pass to the left. Drop it. Blue ribbon. Oh, number 8 is wrong. Pass to number 0. Get the ball, yellow, Calero, dribble. Right, up, pass to his opponent. Now, good. Aldrich. Same ball. Yellow flag. Good ball. Oh, came out. Kami ng bata.
Kulang ang itong player sa dart sa blue team. Kulang ang isa dito, blue team. Dart.
So start ulit. 9 remaining. Last
blue team.
3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Bakit yung lalaki? Pero mga lalaki.
This game is brought to you by Foul by Junior. Same ball, blue ball. Score 17 in favor of blue. Blue drive. Yellow ball outside blue. Yellow dribble. Shot, no good. Catch by Carrion, jump shot. No good. Yellow. Red. 3 seconds violation. Blue ball. Time remaining, last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Score 10-7 in favor of blue. 3 seconds. 5 blue team. So, Carrion, dribble by Carrion. Foul. Foul on the blue.
What na?